Welcome to Sam Tech. In today's video, we're diving into the groundbreaking technologies that are reshaping industries across the globe. From cutting-edge robotics to revolutionary AI applications, these innovations are not only enhancing efficiency but also creating new opportunities for growth. Let's explore how these technological advancements are driving progress and transforming the way we work and live. AI is redefining the retail industry by offering highly personalized shopping experiences. Intelligent recommendation systems analyze customer preferences and behavior to provide tailored product suggestions. This personalization enhances customer satisfaction and drives sales. Retailers leveraging AI can stay ahead of trends, optimize inventory, and create a more engaging shopping experience. Wearable technology is making waves in healthcare by providing real-time health monitoring. Devices like smartwatches and fitness trackers collect data on heart rate, sleep patterns, and physical activity, offering valuable insights into personal health. This technology enables proactive health management and early detection of potential issues, leading to better overall health outcomes. Smart home technology is enhancing comfort and convenience through IoT devices. From smart thermostats to automated lighting systems, these innovations allow homeowners to control their environment with ease. By integrating smart devices, homes become more energy efficient, secure, and adaptable to individual needs, improving the overall quality of life. Agricultural drones are transforming farming by providing precise aerial data and analysis. These drones monitor crop health, assess soil conditions, and optimize resource use with high accuracy. Farmers utilizing drone technology can make informed decisions, reduce waste, and increase crop yields, contributing to more sustainable agricultural practices. The manufacturing sector is being revolutionized by next-gen robotics that enhance production lines. Advanced robots can perform complex tasks with high precision, from assembling components to quality control. These robots increase production speed, reduce errors, and improve safety, leading to more efficient and reliable manufacturing processes. AI is transforming the finance industry with smart trading and investment strategies. Algorithms analyze vast amounts of data to identify trends and make investment decisions faster than ever before. Financial institutions using AI can optimize their portfolios, manage risks more effectively, and enhance their competitive edge in the market. Telemedicine is expanding access to healthcare services by allowing remote consultations with healthcare providers. This technology eliminates geographical barriers, enabling patients to receive medical advice and treatment from the comfort of their homes. Telemedicine improves healthcare accessibility and convenience, especially in underserved areas. Green technology is leading the way in creating sustainable energy solutions. Innovations such as solar panels, wind turbines, and energy-efficient appliances are reducing environmental impact and promoting cleaner energy sources. By adopting green technology, businesses and individuals can contribute to a more sustainable future while reducing their carbon footprint. Blockchain technology is revolutionizing supply chain management by providing a transparent and secure method for tracking products from origin to destination. This technology ensures the authenticity of goods, reduces fraud, and enhances traceability, leading to more efficient and trustworthy supply chain operations. AI-driven chatbots are enhancing customer service by providing instant responses and support. These virtual assistants handle routine inquiries, offer personalized recommendations, and resolve issues quickly. Businesses integrating chatbots can improve customer satisfaction, reduce response times, and streamline their customer service operations. 3D printing technology is making a significant impact in healthcare by enabling the creation of custom medical solutions. From prosthetics to implants, 3D printing allows for personalized and precise medical devices. This technology enhances patient care by providing tailored solutions that improve comfort and functionality. Augmented reality (AR) is transforming education by offering immersive learning experiences. AR applications overlay digital content onto the real world, making complex concepts more accessible and engaging. By incorporating AR into the curriculum, educators can enhance student understanding and make learning more interactive. Cybersecurity is evolving with advanced technologies designed to protect digital assets. Innovations such as AI-driven threat detection, biometric authentication, and blockchain-based security measures are enhancing the defense against cyber threats. Businesses investing in these technologies can safeguard their data and ensure the integrity of their operations. The construction industry is benefiting from advanced materials that enhance the strength and sustainability of structures. Innovations such as high-performance concrete, composite materials, and smart coatings improve durability and reduce environmental impact. By using these materials, builders can create more resilient and eco-friendly buildings. AI is revolutionizing sports analytics by providing insights into player performance and game strategy. Data-driven analysis helps coaches and athletes optimize training, make tactical decisions, and enhance overall performance. Teams leveraging AI in sports can gain a competitive advantage and achieve better results on the field. Virtual reality (VR) is transforming the real estate industry by offering immersive property showings. Prospective buyers can explore properties virtually, experiencing them as if they were physically present. VR technology enhances the property buying process, providing a more engaging and informative experience. AI is playing a crucial role in environmental conservation by monitoring and protecting natural resources. Machine learning algorithms analyze data from satellite imagery, sensors, and drones to track environmental changes and identify threats. This technology enables more effective conservation efforts and helps safeguard ecosystems for future generations. Thanks for tuning into Sam Tech. We hope you enjoyed discovering how advanced technologies are driving innovation and shaping the future. If you're passionate about the latest tech trends and want to stay updated, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Join us again as we continue to explore the exciting world of technology and its impact on our lives. See you next time.